Welcome to our Everlast Tech Support channel. Today we'll be showing you on how to replace the front bezel on your single handle Everlast machine. Let's start by removing the clear plastic cover from your old machine. Then we're going to start taking the screws out of the right hand side of the unit. This one's holding on the display board. Then I'm going to go to the bottom of the unit and remove the two screws holding the dinse panel to the front bezel. I'm going to start removing the display board by taking off the other black screws that go through the front panel. These top two go into the frame and the bottom two are a screw and bolt. To remove this ribbon cable, you push the tabs down on either side and you can pull the connector back. Now I'm going to remove the two screws holding the dinse panel to the front bezel from the other side of the machine. There is a third screw in that panel that can be left. It is simply a ground wire and does not need to be removed to replace this bezel. Now we'll flip the machine over and remove the last screws going through the bottom frame of the machine. On this install, we're going to need to reuse this handle trim cover on our new bezel. Now we're ready to reinstall the new bezel. Start by fitting it onto the front of the machine, and then we'll sit the machine up and install the screws going through the bottom of the back plastic bezel into the frame of the machine. Be sure to use the screws with the larger washers. Now we're going to reinstall the four screws that hold the dinse panel to the front plastic. Now it's time to reinstall the display board. We'll push the ribbon cable back into the connector and the side clips will close when it's fully seated. When remounting the faceplate panel, we'll want to start with the top screws and we'll need to align that screw with that frame top tray. Reinstalling the lower screws in the display board will have your nut and washer on the inside. Now don't forget to add that stake-on O-ring to your bolt as well to help with the cable management inside the machine. Thanks for working with us today. We hope that this video has helped make your bezel replacement a little bit easier.